We are going to look on the PVC sheathed cable. Under it, we had two types of installation. We had the lighting circuit and the power circuit. The power circuit is the connection of accessories that give us access of power while using electrical equipments like charging phones, blender. So power accessories are like sockets. They are of two connection. The power installation is of two connections. We had the radial connection and the ring connection. Now on our circuit, we were connecting the ring connection. Lighting, we will start from the CCU where we have a double pole circuit breaker, a 32 amperes circuit breaker used for sockets, and a 6 amperes circuit breaker used for lighting. We are doing an intermediate switching where we have three switches which are two pieces of two gang, one-way switch and an intermediate switch. Our three bulbs are to be controlled from switch 1, switch 2 and switch 3 independently, meaning the three switches can power the bulbs and also cut off the power independently. As you can see, when we power it on, from this point it powers na inazima. From the second switch ina power na inazima. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, it's your upcoming engineer, Lydia Karanja from Madeira Technical College. Yes, I would like you to share, subscribe, and like. Yeah, that's all for today. Be blessed.